Fisker made a striking entrance into the automotive industry with its sleek designs and a commitment to sustainability, presenting itself as a luxury electric vehicle brand. Imagine a company that promised to blend stunning aesthetics with cutting-edge green technology, challenging established industry leaders while capturing the hearts of eco-conscious enthusiasts. This wasn't just another car company. It was a vision brought to life by renowned designer Henrik Fisker, known for creating some of the world's most beautiful cars. For a time, it seemed that Fisker was on track to become a major player and a true disruptor in the fast-evolving electric vehicle market. However, ambitious dreams can quickly turn into nightmares when reality sets in. Even the most brilliant designs and noble intentions can falter amid a series of challenges, including manufacturing issues, software glitches, financial missteps, and a shifting market landscape. Prepare to explore the fascinating and at times unbelievable story of how Fisker, not once, but twice, navigated the treacherous road of automotive ambition, only to face significant setbacks. Before Fisker, there was Fisker Automotive, founded by Henrik Fisker in 2007. This was his initial attempt to revolutionize the automotive world with a luxury plug-in hybrid, the Fisker Karma. The Karma was undeniably stunning, a true head-turner with its aggressive yet sleek styling. It was designed to make a statement while blending performance with a touch of environmental consciousness. The company secured substantial investment, including a significant $529 million loan guarantee from the United States Department of Energy, reflecting the government's confidence in its potential to lead in green technology. The promise was enticing, a high-end, eco-friendly vehicle manufactured in America that would create jobs and advance sustainable transportation. However, the journey of the Karma was fraught with challenges from the outset. Manufacturing a complex vehicle, especially one featuring new technology, can be incredibly challenging. Fisker Automotive faced numerous delays and quality control issues, making it difficult to get the cars off the assembly line and into customers' hands. A significant setback occurred when Fisker's sole battery supplier, a 123 Systems, encountered severe financial difficulties and ultimately filed for bankruptcy in late 2012. This was not just a minor problem. It represented a catastrophic failure in the supply chain. A recall of faulty battery packs, which occurred even before a 123's collapse, further tarnished Fisker's reputation and highlighted ongoing concerns about quality control. As if internal struggles weren't enough, a natural disaster struck. In October 2012, Hurricane Sandy hit the northeast United States, flooding Port Newark, New Jersey, where over 300 brand-new Fisker Karmas, valued at more than $30 million, awaited distribution. Many of these vehicles were submerged in saltwater, resulting in extensive damage, and some even caught fire. Although the cars were insured, the loss represented a significant logistical and financial setback for the company, which was already on the verge of bankruptcy. A combination of recalls, breakdowns, and external disasters led to a rapid erosion of customer trust. Early adopters who experienced issues such as sudden power loss or fires, often unrelated to the battery packs, contributed to negative publicity that quickly spread, deterring potential buyers. By November 2013, Fisker Automotive filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Its assets were eventually acquired by the Chinese auto parts supplier Wanxiang Group, which later attempted to revive the Karma under a new brand, Karma Automotive. This marked the end of Henrik Fisker's ambitious, yet ultimately ill-fated automotive venture. Most entrepreneurs would likely retreat after such a public and costly failure, but Henrik Fisker was determined to persevere. In 2016, he founded Fisker, a new company with an even bolder vision to create a line of purely electric vehicles, starting with a mass-market SUV called the Ocean. This time, the strategy was different. Rather than building their factories, Fisker adopted an asset-light approach, partnering with established manufacturers like Magna Steyr in Austria to produce their vehicles. This decision was seen as a smart move, significantly reducing the capital expenditure and manufacturing risks that had plagued Fisker Automotive. The Fisker Ocean was officially unveiled in 2020, promising sustainable materials, innovative features, and an attractive starting price. Customer deliveries began in 2023, and for a brief moment, it seemed that Fisker had finally turned the corner. The design was striking once again, capturing attention and generating excitement. Despite the initial excitement surrounding Fisker and the company quickly began to unravel, facing a new wave of challenges. Some of these were eerily similar to those encountered in the past, while others were unique to the fiercely competitive and complex electric vehicle market. The Fisker Ocean faced serious software glitches from its earliest deliveries. Owners reported several troubling problems, including sudden loss of power, malfunctioning infotainment systems, key fobs failing, which led to drivers being locked in or out of their cars, erratic brake behavior, the front hood unexpectedly flying open at high speeds, seat sensors failing to detect drivers. These were not minor inconveniences. They represented safety-critical issues that prompted multiple investigations by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. In the United States, viral YouTube review by popular tech reviewer Marques Brownlee, titled "The Worst Car I Ever Reviewed," significant attention to these flaws and severely damaged the company's reputation and stock price. While Steyr handled production, Fisker struggled tremendously with the logistics of delivering cars, and, more importantly, providing post-sale support. Alarmingly, the company's finance department reportedly lost track of millions of dollars in customer payments. Some cars were delivered without payment being collected, and checks were lost or never cashed. This pointed to a severe lack of internal controls and basic operational competence. Even when issues were identified, acquiring parts for repairs was a logistical nightmare. Reports indicated that desperate measures were taken, such as cannibalizing parts from existing vehicles, and even from CEO Henrik Fisker's car to fix customer vehicles. This underscored a complete lack of a robust service and spare parts infrastructure. The customer support team was woefully understaffed. Former employees were counted working extreme hours, even taking calls from hospitals or funerals, as they tried to manage the overwhelming number of frustrated owners. This overwhelmed system only intensified customer dissatisfaction. Initially, Fisker adopted a direct-to-consumer sales model similar to Tesla's. However, due to struggles with deliveries and service, they announced a shift to a traditional dealership model in early. At the same time, the broader EV market began to experience softening demand, as consumers became more cautious about high prices and the availability of charging infrastructure, making it increasingly difficult for a struggling new entrant to gain traction. The cumulative effects of production issues, quality problems, delivery chaos, and poor customer service proved catastrophic for Fisker's finances. The company incurred significant losses, reporting hundreds of millions of dollars in net losses over successive quarters. The stock price of Fisker plummeted below $1 per share, leading to its delisting from the New York Stock Exchange and the collapse of potential partnerships, including one with Nissan. The company's asset-light model left it with little collateral for emergency funding, and production of the Ocean was halted by Steyr due to Fisker's financial instability. In June 2024, Fisker filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, marking the second failure of a company founded by Henrik Fisker. This scenario serves as a cautionary tale about the challenges of automotive innovation, highlighting that design alone cannot offset failures in engineering, logistics, and financial management. The Fisker saga illustrates how quickly a promising vision can unravel without a solid foundation. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.